Hello, thanks for tuning in today. This is Cedric the Champion, and my wife and I, we are sitting here in Houlihan's, Columbus, Georgia, enjoying this beautiful Sunday. She has the cod, fish, salad, french fries with looks like a dill sauce there and ketchup. And we're just enjoying this beautiful day.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. And I just wanted to make this video just to encourage you on your debt-free journey, to just continue to get out of debt by any means necessary. Look, the United States is in, credit card users in the United States are in a lot of debt, $1.2 trillion. And, when you look at the way things are going with inflation, everything's so high right now. This is a great time to get out of debt. If you're ever going to get out of debt, this is the time. And remember to focus on creating other streams of income to help you get out of debt.
Yes.
And, we're going to make it. But you have to believe that you can. You have to start, with your smallest debt and just work yourself up. And not only get out of debt, but stay out of debt.
Amen.
Create a plan for you and your family so that you don't have to continue to repeat the cycle of debt. Today I was just discussing a plan in church about how, once you buy your car, pay it off, start saving for your next car.
Yes.
That means you're gonna have to manage your money. Your free money isn't for spending, it's for your next car. The majority of it is. And so you gotta just plan to live that way. You can live a debt-free life, but you gotta plan, you gotta sacrifice, you gotta have self-control.
Amen.
And to free yourself from that pressure of debt. Debt has pressure, and I think that when we are getting into debt, we don't consider that a lot of times, but yeah, it's pressure living under debt. And some people, hey, they're built for it. But it's not for everybody.
Right.
And you got to know yourself, and you got to know what makes you happy. And so I just want to make this video. We're going to enjoy our food, enjoy this beautiful Sunday in Columbus, Georgia. But remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And we're going to keep making more videos to encourage you on your debt-free journey.
Amen.
Have a wonderful day.
Have a blessed day.